Telangana MLA has been accused of misbehavior. A collector has accused the Telangana MLA of misbehavior. Mehbubabad MLA Shankar Naik is the one who has been accused of misbehavior. He has been accused by Collector Preeti Meena. She said that he grazed her with his hands. We have Krishnamurthy giving us more details on this story. Krishnamurthy, if you can hear me, what are the allegations made by the collector against the Telangana MLA? Krishnamurthy, if you can hear me, what are the allegations made by the collector against Telangana MLA?
Well, Sarika, right now, what happened yesterday was at this particular event where there was a green plantation drive which was started by the Chief Minister, and at this event, as soon as the event ended, the MLA actually went ahead and grazed the hand of the collector, Preeti Meena, and she was really livid with that. She immediately made a complaint to the to the Chief Minister, and immediately what happened was the Chief Minister ordered the MLA to apologize immediately to the collector, go to their office and file a complaint. But the MLA actually did retaliate first, but then gave in, and then 4 hours later he went ahead and apologized to the collector. But the collector said this is not done because she mentioned that it was been like there's for the past 1 month there has been a lot of incidents where the MLA had a tiff over with the collector, and she said that some action needs to be taken. So she went ahead and filed a complaint with the Chief Secretary. In fact, the IAS officers in Telangana are meeting the Chief Minister today and file a formal complaint. In fact, last night the collector also went ahead and made a police complaint, and an FIR has been registered against the MLA. So the tip-off is definitely going to blow out of proportion. And what is happening right now is that the MLAs, in fact, the IAS officers, in fact, are going to request to the CM to ensure that some sort of strong action is taken and ensure that the MLA is suspended. Even though the Chief Minister had said that he would be suspended if he did not apologize, the MLA did go ahead and apologize. But the collector said that this is something which she is not going to ready to accept, and she said that a strong action should be taken against the MLA.
Exactly, this is a very serious allegation against a sitting MLA from Telangana. Is KCR contemplating any action against this MLA?
Well, KCR in fact has tabled a meeting with the IAS officers today. Later in the afternoon, the MLAs, the IAS officers, including the Chief Secretary, are going to meet KCR and request some sort of an action. IAS officers, in fact, are standing by the Collector Preeti Meena, and they say that some sort of action needs to be taken because this MLA. It's not the first time that this MLA has a run-in with the collector. For the past 1 month, there has been bad blood between both the collector and the MLA. The MLA, in fact, has been stalling kind of development works which the collector has been initiating. So the MLA wants some strong, serious action, including suspension, is what we've been told. And this is something where an action will be what kind of action will the CM take is something which we need to wait and watch out for. But the IAS officers stand united. They do stand with the collector, saying that she is right. And in fact, the police also, since they have filed a case, an action will be initiated from their end as well. So strong run-in between the MLAs and the IAS officers, and looks like there's going to be a big face-off when KCR is going to meet all the IAS officers today.
Exactly, Krishnamurthy, we have it in the pictures that the Telangana MLA touched the collector inappropriately. Has the collector filed any police complaint regarding this?
Yes, the police collector, in fact, last night had made a request to the SP directly of the district, Mehbubabad SP directly, and a complaint was registered against the MLA last night. And the sections have been quite pretty serious, saying that the sections say that the collector has been indecently has touched the collector. So that is one of a serious section which has been filed against the MLA, and the police also will ask the MLA to come down to the police station and give his version of the story. But since an FIR has been registered against him, the government seems to be pretty sure. In fact, KCR himself, the Chief Minister himself, wrote a Facebook post saying that condemning the actions of the MLA and asked him to apologize for it. And the MLA did also, in fact, give his apologies, but he said that he never, in fact, he claimed that he did not mean to touch her. He didn't have an idea that his hand was raising him, but then the visuals show otherwise, that he was actually touching the MLA's, the collector's hand. And so grave charges will be filed. There is video evidence against the MLA, and this looks like there's no end to this saga between the collector and the MLA.
Krishnamurthy, thank you very much for joining us with this latest update from Telangana. We will keep coming back to you for more news and details on this story.